Good morning, class 4. I hope everyone is doing well. Beta, we have completed chapter number 2, digestion and the role of microbes. Today we will do bookwork of this chapter. So please open page number 27 of your books. First we will do, let's remember, data on page number 27. Match the columns. Matching is there. First is mouth. Mouth, it is a sac. Mouth, it produces saliva, as saliva is produced in the mouth. Stomach, it is a sac-like organ. Sac means bag-like organ. Number 3, food pipe. It is a tube-like organ. Number 4, small intestines. They help in the absorption of useful substances. So answer will be absorption of useful substances. 5, anus. It removes fecus. First saliva, second sac-like organ, third tube-like organ, fourth absorption of useful substances, and fifth it removes fecus. Next, true false. Number 1, we should brush our teeth once a day. It's false because we should brush our teeth twice a day. We should always wash our hands before and after meals. That is true. Microbes are small enough to be seen with the naked eye. Yes, it is true because they can only be seen with the microscope. All microbes cause diseases. False. As we have already read that some microbes, they are useful also. Tuberculosis is caused by a fungi. It is false. False, true, true, false, false. Next, page number 28. Phillips. There are dash teeth in a permanent set of teeth. There are 32 teeth. Number 2. In flesh-eating animals, dash are bigger and sharper for tearing flesh. They have sharper canines. Number 3. The dash forms the central part of the tooth. That is the pulp. Number 4. The dash produces juices that help in digestion of food. That is our liver. Dash cause diseases like common cold and influenza. These diseases are mainly caused by the virus. First 32, second canines, third pulp, fourth liver, and fifth is virus. Next, true false. Number 1, the crown holds the teeth in their place. False, as gums hold the teeth in their place. We should keep our teeth clean. True. The esophagus holds food that cannot be digested and absorbs water from it. It is false, because this function is of the large intestine, not of the esophagus. Microbes cannot be seen with the naked eye. True. Only microbes like virus and bacteria can cause diseases. False. As protozoa, fungi, they can also cause diseases, not only bacteria and virus. False, true, false, true, false. Next is choose the correct options. Choose the correct option. Which of these teeth are 12 in number in a permanent set and help in grinding food? That are our molars. Which of these are used for cutting and biting food? Our front teeth, that are incisors. Which part of a tooth contains nerves and blood vessels? That is the softest part, is pulp. That is the central part of the tooth. Which of these holds the teeth in a place? Gums hold the teeth in their place. Number 5. Where are fecus formed? Fecus is formed in the large intestine. Number 6. Where does digestion begin? Digestion begins in the mouth. Number 7. What do microbes do? They change milk into curd, help in making bread, help in the process of rotting of dead plants and animals, and last one is all of these. They help in all these processes, so answer will be all of these. Number 8. Which of these diseases is caused by bacteria? Typhoid and cholera are caused by bacteria. First molars, second incisors, third pulp, fourth gums, fifth large intestine, sixth mouth, seventh all of these, and eighth typhoid and cholera. Next are one words. First is the set of teeth in a child, that are the milk teeth. Number 2, the hardest substance in the human body, that is the enamel. Number 3, a yellow sticky layer that germs form on the teeth, that is called as plaque. The organ that helps to remove fecus from the body, that is the anus. And the fifth one is an instrument that we use to see microbes, that is called as microscope. Milk teeth, enamel, plaque, anus, and microscope. Question answers you will get in the form of worksheet. Now come to let's recall. teeth, sets of teeth. We know there are two sets of teeth. First, temporary, and the second one, permanent. Next are the types of teeth. Four types of teeth are there. First are incisors. Second, canines. Third, premolars. And the fourth one, molars. Molars. Two sets of teeth are there, temporary and permanent. Types of teeth, four types of teeth are there, incisors, canines, premolars and molars. This was, let's recall. So beta, your chapter is complete. Question answers you will get in the form of worksheet. Complete this book work and question answers and send your work for checking to me. So it's enough. Next chapter we will start in the next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.